Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you haven't noticed, there is Moses, aka to Speeches and Jerry. Break it down. So today I'm making a live trading, okay? A live trading. So this is how to use the strategy. It's very simple. Actually, after the end of this candlestick you're looking at here, I'm gonna use an arrow. Okay, after the end of this candlestick, oh yeah, that's the end. So I'm gonna open two positions, one and two. So why do I take this trade? That's exactly what I want to walk you through. It's very simple. So all you need is two moving averages. So the first moving average is moving average 15. Okay, linear weight, Okay, apply the close, 2 pixel, and any color you like down. The second moving average is moving average 50. Simple, 2 pixel. Okay, 2 pixel, any color you like, and done. So how do you use this strategy? It's quite simple, very simple. This is moving average 15 and this is moving average 50. Okay, those two moving averages are, they actually work same way, but the point is this moving average 15, each candlestick must close below it. Okay, once the candlestick close below it, then that will be your target candle, and this candlestick that closes below second will be your entry candle, then three candlesticks you out of the market. Okay, so that's why I took this trade. You see, so now let's just backtest it. Okay, so actually I've been taking this trade for a while, so I decided to make a video on it. Now look at these as well. Okay, let me adjust the arrow. The moving average 15 here closes below the candlestick, and three candlestick after 1, 2, 3, then you're out of the market. Okay, I took this trade as well. This trade I was kind of careful while taking the trade. Look at the trade: 1, 2, 3. Then assume, the problem about this market is if you're greedy, you're gonna be caught up with spike. Okay, so the usefulness of this moving average 50 is that whenever you're taking a trade, always make sure when the market is about to reach, the candlestick, when they're about to reach the moving average 50, that's a good time for you to close the trade. So I took the trade here. This is my target candle, and this is my entry candle. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Then I'm out of the market. I made profit. Okay. Then when the market was going on getting there, it spike, and spike. So but I'm already out of the market. Okay. I'm out of the market. So that's why I'm making live trading on it again. So you see that it's not necessary for the moving average 50. Yeah. It's not necessary for the moving average 50, for the candlestick to close below the moving average 50. It's not necessary. But this 15 moving average, the candlestick must close below it. Closes below it. Then, after you can take your trade. Okay. So that would be very, very helpful. Now let's just backtest this. Let's backtest this. Now look at this spot. Okay. I need an arrow. Look at this spot. This candlestick didn't close below the moving average. Then what happened? A spike happened. That spike might have caught you. So you let the candlestick closes, okay? When it closes below it, then the next candlestick for me, that's when you take your trade. But now look at this. The candlestick, the moving average, both of them closes below in this candlestick, and this will be your target candle, and you're gonna enter the trade here. Once you enter it here, 1, 2, 3, you're out of the market. Okay, so that's how simple the strategy is. Very, very simple. And I've been using this for quite a while. It's not that you won't be caught up with spike. You might be caught up with spike, but there will be a lot of profit more than the loss. Okay, look at this candle. Okay, I thought we'd talk about this. Now let's just back test it. Okay, another one here. Look at this. This candlestick closes below it, then 1, 2, 3. Assume you were thinking maybe when you get to this 50 moving average, I'm gonna close. You see what that might happen to you? A spike might have caught you, but I love taking 3 candlesticks, 1, 2, 3, and I'm out of the market. So look at these again. Moving average 15, it closes below 1, 2, 3, and I'm out of the market. So the current trade we're taking right now, let's check it out. Oh, we are in profit. So 1, 2, 3. So we should close the trade right now. We should close it because we already make our profit. So before any spike happens, we need to close it. Okay, so this moving average 15 is one of the strongest moving average. You see, you assume you want to use this strategy to catch spike. Okay, now assume the moving average 15, assume a candlestick closes above it, just like this candlestick. Assume you're catching the spike. That's what I mean. On getting to this 50 moving average, assume you caught a spike. On getting to this moving average 50, that's telling you to close, because moving average 50, I always tell you, is the strongest moving average ever. Okay, the strongest ever. You see the market consolidating, reacting in here, then before it broke it out and went up. So you have to be careful when using these markets. I mean, this kind of strategy to catch spike. You have to be careful. And the same thing goes for boom 300. I use this for boom 300 and cash 300 the most, because they kind of obey it. That's why I like using it. They obey it a lot. Okay, now look at it there. Assume I'm not taking the first trade. I will have take this. It's a 1, 2, 3, and I'm out. This is my target candle. 1, 2, 3. I entered the market, then I went out. Then though this a spike might have caught you there. That's when the strategy is not 100% perfect. Okay, but I'm very sure you have a lot of profit, more than the spike you got. Now look at this spot. Oh, sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. So let me use an arrow. Look at this spot. This is your target candle, 1, 2, 3, and you're out. On getting to the 50 moving average, you see the market reacting. On getting to the 50 moving average, you saw what happened? A spike happened. So that's why I say every time you're taking a trade here, even if you want to long the trade, when getting to this 50 moving average, you need to be careful, because the moving average 50 is one of the strongest moving average, and anything can happen when the markets get there. And you see what happened? Pump. A spike happened. Okay, so let's just keep back testing. Look at this spot as well. Look at this spot. This is your target candle, entry candle, 3 candlestick, 1, 2, 3, and you're good. Okay, before a spike that happens, you will have closed your trade. Another one, you see it there? The same thing happens. Okay, the same thing happens in there. This is it. Look at this place. Yeah, your target candle. Okay, your entry candle, 1, 2, 3, and you're good. Okay, this is spike might have caught you, but it's covered up. Okay, so look at this, a spike. In this kind of market, I won't like to trade it, because this is a ranging market. I don't like trading ranging market. Okay, I don't. Once I see 2, 3 spikes, I get out of the market. I know I decided to ranging market. So look at this again. A spike might have caught you in this place. Your target candle, then a spike. But after that, you can just re-enter, to catch up some pips. And I'm getting to 50 moving average. You see the reactions, on this moving average, you might have closed. Perhaps you have little profit here. So you're not making a total loss. And I'm pretty sure with this strategy, you have a huge profit. Now let's take this trade. Okay, I'm taking another trade. Okay, so why am I taking this trade? Because this strategy, don't mind that noise, I'll stay near the airport. Okay, that's an airplane flying. Why am I taking this trade? Because this candlestick, or the moving average 15, closes above it. So this is my target candle, and I'm taking 3 candlesticks. So we need to wait for 3 candlesticks to open and close. Now let's just keep waiting, and we see our profit. You see, we're in profit. We're in profit already, so we're pretty in profit. 3 candlestick. Don't forget, this candlestick will be one of the 3. This candlestick here, this is 1. So this one forming right now will be the 2, and the 3rd candlestick, then after that we'll be out of the market. So I'm taking another trade on crash 300. I took that one for boom 300, remember. So this strategy, I use it mostly for boom 300 and crash 300. I use it mostly for it. Okay, so that you guys will know that these work for both crash 300 and boom 300. That's why I'm taking this trade, and we need to wait. I'm very sorry if this video might be too long, but it's for your own good. Okay, so that you see a very reliable strategy that can make you money easily. Okay, so now this is our target candle. Okay, and this is our entry candle. 1 candlestick gone, 2 candlestick gone, and this is the last candlestick. So after this candlestick, we're gonna close the trade. Okay, because I'm only focusing on 3 candlestick. I told you I don't focus on much, just 3 candlestick, then I'm out. You see, and I've been using to grow this account, and this is $101. So let's just keep doing it. I just kind of like this simple strategy, and I'm pretty sure if you use it, you'll be making huge money, huge profit on it. Though I don't use it much for crash 1000 and boom 1000. I don't use it much for it. But crash 300 and boom 300. I'm very good at that. I love it. So let's just keep watching. So once this candlestick closes, we closing the trade. Okay. So we won't be greedy. I told you greediness is not good. One, two, three. Once this candlestick closes, now it closes. So let's close the trade. You see, we're in profit, two profit at the same time. So that's how to use this strategy. That's how to use it. Very, very simple and very reliable. So assume I want to long this trade. I need to wait for the candlestick to get to this 50 moving average before I close. So that's how to use this strategy. Very simple. And this has been profitable for me. Very profitable. So, imagine a lot of techniques, a lot of time you're going to use this strategy to make money before a spike catches you. So it's very simple, very reliable, and I really appreciate it. I develop it myself. So do me a favor, all in all, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really love that. I saw a lot of people reacting, commenting, and so on my YouTube channel. They get values, but they don't subscribe, they don't like. Please, 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 to make videos like this, subscribing will encourage me, please. I really appreciate it if you do that. Thank you.